What's up guys, welcome to the channel. As you guys can see, we have a pretty cool video lined up for you today. We lost quite a bit of content for this video, but we kind of made the most of it and made it more so into an edit, so sorry about that, but I just want to let you guys know also that today is Sunday. On Wednesday, this upcoming week, we'll be releasing the new build, and I mean, it's going to be a great one, so stay tuned for that, but not going to talk too much. Enjoy the video. Oh, you're probably going to want to see this.
He's gonna want to see it.
There's no room in here.
There's not. There's too many cars.
Okay, well, let's just put it up against this door.
Are you so
excited?
I'm so excited. Is Austin not coming?
He's smoking a cig, having a
no.
beer. I see how they got it here. Christmas in August.
Yep.
September. Whatever month it is. Okay, I think we're finally out of the bag. You ready for this?
Woody's coming to see. Wait for him.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. Oh,
Are you ready for this?
Oh my god, another layer. No, oh my god.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. What?
Wow.
It looks pretty nice.
Checking it out.
Feels like something I've always wanted. It's really light too. I probably won't end up, I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully the correct ones. The Allen was it's a hit or miss. We'll find out when it comes to time.
Okay.
Actually, let me just test it out right now. Let me see if that Allen's gonna work for us.
Better to find out now. What? 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 Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
I threw out the receipt. How did I not know? This was... How... It says 1/4 inch right on it.
It says quarter.
It says 1/4 inch right on it. I have no excuse. None at all. Okay.
We're getting it.
Yeah.
No worries. Not a single worry.
Not a single... Hakuna Matata. Okay? You twist that throttle.
Are you
Oh. Not great. You really don't have a 1/4 inch ratchet.
No, not here.
No, do I. hands are filthy. You guys can see from the video, we're just gonna go ahead and actually work re-clearing this hood, man. Really just want it to be a little bit more glossy and have a little bit more clarity to it. There's just not enough clear coat on here to really be able to have that effect and polish and wet sand it all out. So I did confirm that with the people who make it. So we're gonna go ahead and scuff it up and re-clear this thing. So I'm just gonna hop right into it, guys. I really think it's gonna look really good. You can see there's like some weird spots, like some burn throughs on the hood already. And we haven't touched it. This hasn't even been touched by me or anything like that. We just installed it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I got myself a gray Scotch-Brite pad. And first off, welcome. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot of cool stuff. Whoa, almost lost you. Got a lot of cool stuff happening. Just really busy. So give me a break when it comes to content. I'm gonna try my best. But let's go ahead. Sand this down. We got to take out these little grills, take out my little hood pins, get this thing looking right.
They're getting scratched or what?
No, I just really didn't have much clear on it.
Cool. See you tomorrow.
Bye, brother. Yes, sir. So at least now we have a whole lot of clear on here. Dang, it already looks 10 times better. Already looks 10 times better. If you guys are wondering why this is still on, well, it's because we couldn't get it off. So it stayed on. Okay. The re-clear was much needed. Not too sure because those like hot spots that you guys saw that I showed you in the video before, those kind of appeared after, I guess, a couple heat cycles, I guess is the only thing that makes sense, and it just kind of acted up on us. So really couldn't have left that. It just didn't look good, and those hot spots obviously are all gone. The carbon looks super wet now. This is months and months down the line, guys. Next video, we're releasing the new car, the new project car, so stay tuned. But we didn't wet sand or anything like that. We just polished it, and, you know, tossed like some wax on it. That way it just kind of cleans easily. But look at how clear it came out. Like once the paint fully cures and everything, it really clears up, and it levels out really good. So very stoked on the end result. These quick latch hood pins are epic. I'm a big fan. I used the factory hole where the bump stops were for the hood for the actual pin. Somebody asked why I did not remove these for painting. Well, because they use thread locker when we install them, so they're really not that easy to remove. But yeah, it's like a permanent thing, and you got to use like a wrench. And I really didn't feel like doing all that. It was fine. As you can see, there's no issues around anything like that. So for me, I just love the look. I think it looks really cool, and I still haven't wrapped it, even though this is months and months down the line. We're in like February of 2021, and that earlier clip you saw was back in just September, who knows, of 2020. And these panels here are actually removable. You guys can see, there they are. They're just riv nutted in. Found out, so it's very functional. Another reason why I wanted this hood is to get heat out the engine bay with the 2JZ under here. It's just super cramped, super hot, and at idle you can just see just waves of heat coming off. So the car runs epically cool, and this definitely made an improvement, and I think we're really going to see a lot more improvement in the summertime. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested. If you have a Z and you want this hood, it was about $1,000, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, I think it looks pretty aggressive on here, and I know some people won't like it, and that's fine. I never really thought I would like carbon fiber, but in person, it just looks a whole lot better than it even does like in pictures and on video. So I'm happy with it. I kind of like how the whole top of the car is, you know, it's just all got that line in black, and just kind of flows well. Some people have said to put the nose piece in black. I don't know, I kind of like it the way it is, but that's gonna be it. I don't really want to make this too long. We're already getting pretty long, but if you guys are watching and are still here, smash that thumbs up on it. It'd be pretty sweet to get some support back up on this channel. And like I said, next video you guys see will be of the new project car, which is just right here. So diving really deep into this thing, and it's gonna come a long way, and wow, it definitely needs a bit of work, but we can do it. So the whole build will be here in our home garage, so it'll be pretty interesting for sure. But I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. But I will see you. Let's see. Today is Sunday. We're gonna release this on Wednesday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Take care, guys. Peace.
Thank you.